Boost your Wi-Fi or your network with EE Smart Hub Pro with 7 routers here on the video. Step-by-step guide. Step 1 will be unbox and connect. Unbox your EE Smart Hub Pro and locate the power adapter and Ethernet cable. Connect the power adapter to the router and plug it into the electrical outlet. Use the Ethernet cable to connect your modem to router's WAN port. Then power on. Press the power button to turn on the router. Wait for the LED indicator to stabilize, indicating the router is ready. Then connect to the router Wi-Fi. On your computer or mobile device, search for available Wi-Fi networks. Connect to the default SSID labeled on the router or its documentation. Enter the default password provided. Then access the web interface. Open a web browser. Enter this link as I'm showing you on the TV or your mobile screen right now. Log in using the default credentials, use user admin password, then run the quick internet setup, that is QIS. Follow on-screen instruction to configure your internet connection. Set up your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password. Then apply settings to establish your network connection. Thank you so much for watching this video.